Hello friends, assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to learn how to give a page border. Just open your Word document and go to Design tab. In the Design tab at right top you see there is option of page border. Click on this and select what type of border you want to give. Box, shadow, 3D, custom. 3D means 3D effect, shadow means the border which has shadow. See, here is a shadow. So I want to give a simple border, so I simply click on the box, and from here I am going to select the line or dotted line, which type of border I want to give. I want to give this shape or this type or this design of border. Color, so I have a black printer, black and white, so I definitely give black color. Now from here you gonna select the width 6 ppt. I am gonna select the 6 pt width. Art, none. If you want to give a art border, select from here. You see it's a art, so I don't want any art, so left it, none. Again select 6 ppt. Color automatic. I want this design, select this. Now you see all the selections are made. Now if you want to give the border 3 side, not top, just click this option. You see top border will be removed. If you want to remove left border, click on this bottom border, so you see bottom border will be removed. If you click on this, the left border will be, and this remove the right border. If you want to remove the left, and just click like this. If you want to remove this, if you want to remove this, now see all the border get removed. You have to click on these to select the borders. By default they are selected, but if you want to give 3 sides, just remove it. Okay, like this, remove. So this is how you gonna give the border. Now shading, I want shading. No, I don't want any shading. Borders from here. Okay, you see there is a border. Now we have a border on our page. You see border on the all the sides. But if you want to remove the border, go to the page border, and if you click on this, you see the top border will be removed. Now there is no top border, only 3 side border, left, right and bottom. No top border. If you want top border, click on this. If you want to remove, click here or here, anywhere you want, here or here. Click here or click here, no problem. Okay, now there is a border. So this is how you are going to give the border to the page. So thank you. Use this technique, and if you like the video, press the like button and press the bell icon for more videos, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.